The Tokyo Marathon is an annual sporting event, with the first one being held in 2007. It is 42 kilometers long, and I'm actually really embarrassed to admit, I had to look this up. I didn't realize that marathon was a standard unit, with the fastest ever finishing time being 2 hours and 2 minutes. Wait, there's no way that's true. What the fuck? It is also one of the world marathon majors out of 7, and in my opinion, heckin' long. Today I'll be doing something more rare than getting hot food at a kombini after 2 a.m., and that is catching the elusive glimpse of my cousin Amanda, who is running in today's race. I'd honestly argue that being a supporter is a lot more exhausting than actually running the marathon. Everybody knows that. Alrighty, so this is the official Tokyo Marathon map. Amanda's obviously starting at the beginning. Half of the crew is going to start at the beginning, and the other half is going to go to the 5-kilometer mark, where Go and I are headed to right now. Almost there. 155 meters. How do you feel, Go?
Exciting.
Exciting. We got our shirts. I got everybody's location already on my phone once we get outside in like a year. Everybody's sharing their location on the WhatsApp. Oh, Keith moved. Oh, he moved back. It says accurate to 29 meters. Which one are we going to?
Yasukuni Dory Avenue is for the people who died on board.
Oh, right at the 2K mark. So many steps.
There's a like Yasukuni temple.
Yeah.
It's for the how to say the people
Oh, okay.
who died for the country.
Okay. So they want people to like run by special things
Yeah.
to see the city. Oh my god, we're still doing steps. Oh, we made it out. Okay. Fit check.
Or once again, people did like seppuku, and when they do it, they say, "Let's meet up in Yasukuni."
Oh.
Let's meet in the Yasukuni temple. It's right there.
Yeah.
And this road is called Yasukuni Avenue.
Okay. This is like a fun morning. And now it's just sad. Anyways, we're at the 2-kilometer mark, which is apparently a scary place in Japanese history. Where do people run? Which way are they running? Okay, we're on the wrong side then.
Yeah.
We need to be on the left.
It's a left side. But we're coming from there.
But if they're coming from that way
Yeah.
and they run across the road, isn't that the left side?
Round road there.
I'm so confused.
What?
Oh, I was facing the wrong way.
What? They're coming from there.
I know. I was questioning you because I was facing the wrong way.
By portion.
Yeah, we're on the wrong side. Oh my gosh. We realized we're on the wrong side of the road, so we went back into the train station to go all the way to the other side of the road. It's like a 15-minute detour. Oh, yeah. I'm sweating. I'm not even in the marathon.
You should run.
I'm so out of breath.
Fast running. It's already 6.
We're a little bit behind. I already see people running, but they're like running fast. So I think it's the professional one, so I don't think we're missing Amanda yet. Oh yeah, they're all very quick. For 47 kilometers though? Okay, we're going back again because we realize now we're on the wrong side. Don't worry, Amanda. We'll see you. I feel like right now we're running more of a marathon than Amanda is. What do you think? You're like, I don't want to be pregnant.
What?
So we've done this hallway 3 times now because we keep going on the wrong side of the road, but you can't just cross the road.
Yeah.
I wonder. Oh, that's embarrassing. I was like out of breath and I go to check my steps. I'm only at 3,000 steps for the day. I was like, oh, it must be like 5,000 by now. I feel like this YouTube video is more going to be about us trying to get to Amanda than the actual marathon. It's gonna be like 80% Oh, I forgot about the stairs. Oh, no. Maybe? Yeah. Yeah. Every time I see green shirt or green hat, I'm like, oh, look at the orange. I recorded about 30 minutes of me just trying to find Amanda, but I'm not gonna make you sit through all of that. We did all that running around and we missed her at the beginning because she's already at Brian. Brian just sent a picture and he's like way down there. I just asked what the next spot is so we can see if they're we're going to Kurume. Okay, so Paul's gonna go to another station. So crazy. Like, I've never seen an empty Tokyo street before. It feels like COVID. Okay, so somehow Amanda passed me, which I have no idea how because I have eyes like a hawk and I was looking. But anyways, we're gonna go meet up with both sides of the team at Kurumai Station for the second viewing. This banana pancake. Okay, so we're way down by the other area, and so this is where everyone else is. So we're just trying to get there now. I don't know where Go went. He's way behind me. I see the people wearing the shirts that I'm wearing. Hello. I'm right behind you.
Oh. I didn't see you pop up.
Yeah, because I was trying to get the shirts, so I'm like, I hit a little bit. And then
Paul's over there.
Oh, okay.
Gone. He was over there.
Okay.
There he was gone.
Oh, he's running back. Yeah, he was checking out how to get there because we won't have long.
Is she? How do we know where she is?
Oh, because the app. It's not 100% accurate, but it's close enough. So she's where this
Oh, okay.
dot is, and
Yeah.
we're up here where the blue dot is.
Okay. So she's coming soon.
Well, I'd say that is probably about 3Ks, maybe 4Ks. So that'll be 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes.
Okay.
Or I could be completely wrong.
As I was walking up, you guys started yelling. I'm like, did I miss her by 2 seconds?
Oh,
It's over there.
done,
Okay,
done
okay.
that before.
Okay.
We were in Berlin, as you are,
Yeah, casually.
and we ran out of the tube station in the
Yeah.
Potsdamer Platz, and we just happened to choose the correct exit
Yeah.
to run.
Oh,
So she's running
Beautiful.
this way, we're
Yeah.
running out here, and we go,
Yeah.
and we only got it by about, seconds.
yeah.
Well, according to this, it thinks we're there
Okay.
and she's the pink dot down there.
Okay. So we got some time.
But when we were looking earlier on, it had her gone beyond us and then she was there.
Oh. Okay, so she might be closer.
Yeah.
So she's at 16 now. As you can see from the amount of clips I had to go through and edit, I was ready for her. I had the camera out, and when she came, I almost missed her because I got way too excited. This one's insanely simple. We're literally just crossing the road in the most difficult way possible. So we're going under the tunnel to get to the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you catch it?
I had my camera, my phone one, set up the whole time, and I was filming. And as soon as she came, I got excited and I pressed the off button. And I didn't notice until after. I was filming the whole time except for when she came.
I have another plan.
Second shot.
Yeah.
Second jump.
I still got it on my little camera, but just not the big one.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was look. I choose thrilled to see you guys.
Yeah, because I'll fall over. Yeah, just get squished.
We got the whole crew with the matching shirts.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I'll go long shot.
Everyone can be coming now.
At the train station there,
Yeah.
we'll be able to get under, back up the other side. I
Okay.
hope.
We missed her twice. I'm 2 for 3 now. I've missed her twice, and I've gone to every spot.
That was unlucky. That was unlucky.
Yeah.
I did think we would have enough time to make that one.
Yeah.
So, there we go.
You even did the trial run too.
My trial run.
I was still way too slow.
I had to be polite.
Yeah.
Other places, I'd have just pushed people out the way.
Yeah.
But not here. This is not the duck.
I'm just picturing Paul like knocking over a child. Like I gotta get to the other side.
She needs water.
So the cool thing about this spot is we actually don't have to go anywhere. We just have to be on one side of the road and then cross the street, and then for the third viewing, cross the street again. So that's what we're doing. We're just trying to cross the street under the bridge for the third time to try to get 3 in 1.
So bright. So the marathon's going over the bridge.
I think so, yeah.
And we had to walk all the way down to go under everybody running. So pretty though.
Yeah, this place is nice.
Yeah, let's just stay here. Alright, I missed her again.
It's a good idea, but hasn't quite worked.
We missed her 3 times now. We were not meant to be marathon viewers.
The first place.
This is true.
That makes that time you saw her all the more special.
It's a very excellent bright side. Alright, next location. Where are we going?
We are heading to train station here,
Okay.
which is
Are we like going to the finish right now?
we're heading towards pretty much the finish. Yes.
Okay.
So we're off to this is what we say.
Okay, so now we're taking the train to Hibiya Station, which is about 1 kilometer outside of the finish. Don't tell Amanda that you can actually take trains across Tokyo and you don't actually have to run it.
I'd love to take credit for it, I really.
Please do, he's like
Oh, it's magnetic! That's brilliant. That is so cool.
Okay, team. Somebody's got to get in a bit better.
Okay, here we go. Perfect.
Our last viewing point was about 1 kilometer away from the finish, and at this point you could really tell everybody was tired. Even I was tired, and I took a train for most of the course.
Oh, do you see it?
No.
Oh.
Saw another man with a pineapple on his head.
Yeah, very close.
Yeah.
Always good.
I saw her twice. I saw her twice, and I feel like that's a win. And she just finished, right? She just texted you? She just texted you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And she is home and dry.
All right, so she finished. Yes.
So that's 5 to 7. Let's have a quick look on the west. Behind us now. This might be her crew, but there's two lines.
Mm-hmm.
So keep an eye out. It might still be over there.
Well, at least everyone's walking now, so I think I'll be able to see them easier.
That's true. That's a good point. And we're allowed to call out Gatesy.
Okay, so this is the point. The race finished down there. And so all the people are walking down here, and everybody's meeting them over there. So I think Paul's over there waiting for her while the rest of us are right here.
Gatesy!
Woohoo! You did great! Hello!
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You did so good. Thank you. I missed you so many times.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh,
I was at
you
every
guys
stop
having
and I
your
missed you.
picture taken?
Yeah.
Bring her to me.
Photo.
Because I don't want to lose the seat.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Come sit down. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well done, my love. Thank you.
You can hide that behind
You're allowed to sit.
You can make a seat.
She won't get back up
again.
We just push her up.
Okay.
Oh, it's me and my team. The tracker.
Oh, so cool.
Very good.
I'm gonna wear this around.
You're on. You're on.
Oh no, looking lovely.
Oh, that was hard.
It looked so hot out there. It was
I actually thought I was going to literally melt
Yeah.
on the floor. It was so hot.
It's so hot, yeah.
Oh boy, but anyway, I got it done and I got the medal, so that's the thing.
Well
Thank you.
That's
And seriously, the support, because I loved it how I kept seeing you guys before you see me, because I'd be like, hello!
Or it needs a little
you need to see this little strip here?
Yeah.
It all has to be that colour.
Oh, does it? Oh,
Oh,
you need
Look this way, look this way. Look this way.